life goes on. You understand? We also need to keep ourselves happy. You feel me? So that's the reason why I say me wanna go join Osai Norma Sewi and Sandroka. Wanna go join the celebrate. Boy, moi to be more ladian tainani where if you cassava to know wa ladian wa yari okwe wa regi mo. You understand? Why you when I can't in your pin down now? Why you go your I am with Sharon OKPAMEN. My one why you go your me I'm gonna be a man, Timmy go ya de be or be me. The problem is there. Why your work with no all work without play make jai dog, but why your work with it? I can't in your pin down now. Why you go your way? Osai Norma say we are do degio. Yeke Sandroka mwiku no yere o. Iku oyo ni. Oh, honey, na ya dikuse. Iku oye imeme o. Understand? So, why you boy? Yes. Wo ma awo na meroji. O ma lady sikeme one killing. Understand now? They now they see me o. I'm not available. They know they see me o. So I know my say is going to be in Napoli, Casavatuno, Senegale, Casavatuno, Iguabele, Unamure Make, Ukomu Ijo, Wahia Waladian. Go on, Bobo, so I know my say we and Sandro Kamui Kunori. Where ya we be done. On your command, Asaga, ya be away, you see. I'm not a friend to them. They are not my enemy. They are my brother. They are my sister. That's what we are doing. You understand? So when they are doing things that is okay, we also celebrate them. Walaho, Otima, never. In Waro in Napoli right now. In Waro in Napoli. A lot of the see me war. I believe my Benin people. I warning you. You understand? When I ragmo, na de ragbona, abe a celebrate. Ima nigo diana ya, na ya yo bonaya mu no war yo wa. No be ragmo. Abe yigo ya gweku. Abe celebrate. Abe mi €1. Okono ga consider your hunso no eva hun. You understand? Why you eva hun stitch? Ah stitch worry. You understand? Wa feel consider your one ga €2 coins. You understand? Abe short tishan hen wa to. So if you go say na you know. Why not bam wagbe? Why are celebrating Osai Norma Sewi and Sandra in Napoli tonight? Made the party shock. If you know, so you be my fans and you did Casavatuno as they do the party, video and send that for me for WhatsApp. If you are my fans, go the party tonight, go enjoy yourself, drink beer, buy beer, sit down. Why Papa would smell your women while we live while we give me the codedly. When my totally corner your way. I don't when my anything wrong about all of them media or go viral. So I teach you give you, when I give you, my hair your way, me what about your working out one young. You are your normally. So one of you give me copy the good side of me, not the bad side. I say the bad side of me where I'm way. You know why I copy it. You understand? Why are you quick with it? When I tell them, I want to give you that permission, so I'm going to go flex, not to be happen. I'm going to be body. You understand? We're not going to enjoy ourselves because we are smart. It's smart, not a feast. That is when you can see chance to spray money and help the less privileged, help people. Go out there, go and enjoy. While the music will corner, back at your head. You know, Baragona. I mean, when it's a ghost of Goni, I will shy without bullet. Bullet codedly. You know, or set. You guys are my leader. I wouldn't wear your way. We are bull away corner. Womanity tired in it gave away a moyan now. My comment. If you remember how to do by now. Only my make you go. So, can you lie? Where could they leave? Go by more, but was a lot of way. Oh, I thought idea. So go and support your brother, support your sister, support Osai Norma Sewi and Sandroka in Napoli. Yeah, my mom that's many who, but I'm doing it from my heart. because I love good things. You understand? The reason why I come at this beautiful afternoon is because of this our beautiful sister that just passed on, our lovely Sharon OKPAMEN, and because of Ewi, Ewi, you understand? I watched the video he did concerning the GoFundMe. Many of you now where they support, whether through my platform, through the blogger that are blogging my videos. I want to first say a big respect and a big thanks to all the bloggers who are blogging my videos. When he called me, collect the account from my hand. Each video where they blog, we concern Sharon, they put the account number there. Sweet Mother Gist TV, may God bless you. Yawa Asoniwa. Bloggers. Yawa Sonia. Please, this particular place, Mona Sharon, this is appreciation to all those bloggers where they blog my videos and we come out categorically support Sharon and also use their platform to post all those accounts of Sharon. First person, Sweet Mother Gist TV, that woman where her husband jumped from Austria for Spain that year, early this year. Sweet Mother Gist TV, may God bless you. That woman supported, she supported with more than 170,000. Now she support that account from my own pocket. On the point that you understand? When I hear me go to Latin, you supported the Sharon. So Lord can bless you with Sweet Mother Gist TV. You know soon that we're here now with baby boy in Jesus' name. The more you go out, and number 2, Boss Lady TV. Boss Lady TV now blogger, they cut everybody video. Boss Lady TV, may God bless you. Boss Lady also support Sharon. You also collect the account from my hand, still support them. So Lord bless you. Boss Lady TV. All these people are mentioning, they are bloggers. They're there for YouTube, they're there for page. Boss Lady get page. Now that page they blog. Sweet Mother Gist TV get page, they get YouTube. You understand? May God bless you now. We also have other sweet bloggers. We God go richly bless. Unique. Oh, what will be name? I'll go find name. Ah, yeah, got it here. I bloggers in the work bang and we blog the video. Me, I got it in here. Man, I mean, you I got it in here. Bloggers, we they try. We not say they be bloggers, but untouchable rejoice. Untouchable rejoice. May God richly bless you. Untouchable rejoice for your support towards our sister Sharon OKPAMEN. Untouchable rejoice, Lord bless you. Untouchable rejoice post anything that concerns Sharon, they post in picture in accounts to support her journal. Lord bless you abundantly for your time to blog that account, post on. May God richly bless you. All of you now, where they support the accounts, God will bless all of you. All my fans, my followers, my enemy, all over the world, as many we will not deal until they support this movement of Sharon, taking Sharon back home. As until they support the accounts, all over and bless you. I don't have much to say about the accounts, but let me first of all pin the account down for my lovely fans, followers that love me genuinely, that wish to support Sharon OKPAMEN. May God bless you now. All those Sheget's fathers, then we also send the accounts to, we just put something. May God bless you now. Now be man. Now man now be. I will pardon them. They want a boom because of their greediness. About okay with them anywhere or Volcano. They don't go support. Yes, son. My dear, I'm here to participate. My baba, we not see me you come the dance for the party. Baba, put your money for inside. Now money we want, not be your dance. We know say you senior now, you not go fit down, you not go fit shake body. Baba, put money, give us money. And money we want to carry and go house. Your money not go me say you not go do what you want to do. You there abroad, the phone traditional man. Last you go still go bath for bedroom with your wife for the bath. Oh God, forget that story. Put money for their accounts. We know say tradition is tradition normally, but inside there so everybody were here when we were tradition. We market we are bedroom we understand. If you could domino like this, one bedroom go do the house. And then you go back for how make people acquire back because where you are. But so we are little can very period itself. You understand? Eh, kuru mamu wegbe baba put money very important. And the truth. So for all those bloggers that blog the videos, that blog the account of Sharon, the one we are not mentioned, where they still promote Sharon, may God bless you now. All those Sharon friends, those genuine friends of Sharon who are using their platform to raise funds for Sharon, may God bless you now. May God bless you now. Both the one we don't cost their mama, cost Sharon mama, and at the end of the day, they constantly treat their step. You understand? What all of them are still our sister. You understand? Whether good or bad, you women are still our sisters. So the way you understand? You know we are here. Now, what talk baby? The one I share this video, I want to talk. The reason why I want to talk now, the video we no get do. Now make me talk. I'm gonna sit. When I still share this video, go give Monica sit down. Now, I see the video where Monica no get do. I watch the video where no get do. They forward that to me. It no get make sense for the video small, but it no get see they stupid in another way. Concerning Juliet Asemota, we come out, can't speak. First of all, Monica, be affected you one thing. You see this race of Sharon taking back home, or this good fund me of a thing. If you know, say, you not get share for this matter, you don't even get time to come out, explain to any motherfucker. Especially person will say, you yourself know, say, Monica, you are the talk to so. Person where you yourself know, say, you categorically use your platform raise 2.9 million. Now you use the man talking 2.9 million give am. Ona ye boy ye see. Ona ye boy ye so na ye me show way all ye disgrace with day and night. Then who you want explain to? Person we get FB, Facebook, FB, fibrous woman we did for Facebook. Sometimes me I go why so I would like live video presenter. So we don't really know una what for this media. We don't know una what for this media. Like I said, then I can't get one person that like just the way you don't get to say. If you don't say you don't marry, post the lady for money for your woman head. Post this one, post this one. You got go on one. On our zoo. You don't know say slippers get size. Me I know we not do the same size. For as far as this media is concerned, I know my words. I know where beneath people don't put me. So that's the reason why I cannot do solo to come and rob myself for pota with a doggy. Because oh yeah, when I'm kwa. Oh no, if you want to say, this are raw. If you know who you be for this media, forget if I say what you're about. See, inside nonsense, sense, the inside. Benin people are not stupid. They know where their position is and every presenter put. It get person will go talk. Benin you want listen. Ah okay. Umema make go na get that you not. I will if I not get go. I beg forget about money when you tie. You know matter the what. I beg forget that for one person. People don't deal like that. People don't deal like. If you don't know because why? You will not be saying you know go come out come say Mama Miami Miami you never gonna oh you but me you know I'm on na you born now I'm on you born so who so not man boy say but I do too much you turn a street beggars and no go ladian you were trying to praise me if you don't know who you praise me we mo di idea But now they find her good. At the end, Monica come Colombian. I mean Monica go na so Julieta Sabota go call Monica. My guy. There are people on this social media where each and everybody like to talk, communicate with. They understand the presenters. There are presenters will be say there are some people who will carry folks say, you understand I'm free communicating with Umenwa. There are some people who say I'm free communicating with Monica. People will also say I'm free communicating with Enogi. It depends on how they take watch our broadcast, how they take our mentality, how it be, and what they want at that particular time. Who go fit that position to assist them, to rescue them from that situation. They will carry for column. Oh yeah, but if they don't call you, it not mean say you don't go fit stand and speak the truth the way it is. It must not be me. You understand? I'm not that stupid for all these things that happen on media. My goal, my aim on this media is to see Sharon being buried amicably in Nigeria. You understand? Not be to come they get to come they feel say, now me can't talk past, now me their money call, now me their party call. I'm not there after that one, my brother. If you don't know, make you know now. Due to my mentality, my spirit leads. Me, we don't do saga. Bagbo. I come to think of it now. This girl don't buy. This girl have to be, we get children. They go do the burial. So, they have to. Now, me call the mother. I was looking for how to call the mother. And I can't call personally. First person who called me. When Sharon's they come, when you go and ask and say Sharon don't buy. The person that called me and say, please, help me do video. Sharon never die. Then they post the picture everywhere say Sharon never die. Sharon still they coma. It's a very critical condition. They coma beg. May they stop. And that was why I came out that night to do that video. The same person now carry my phone, go call her. I say, Mama, say, I don't know nothing. And when I tell my people, I say, but Mama, get what in my mind to do. So then I say, we don't do saga finish now. And they say, everybody calm down. Somebody bring you come with structures. Now say, my mind now, I want use my platform, raise fund for Sharon children on how to bury Sharon. And a lot of things they will be. I would like to talk to Mama Sharon, but I don't know how to reach Mama Sharon. This my boss cry. She started to cry as I told that thing. The woman started to cry. I called the wonder. See, wow, what's happened, Mama? He say, you know, did you talk so? What do you talk so? When you shot Oboe here. Oboe here. And I said, Mama, why? He said, you and Masha will discuss this thing. Yes, he did. But I don't know where they want for start. Masha, you see, I discuss with Masha, Masha say, yeah, but you can't like them. I would think you go. They go say they use him picking they find money. You know, go do. You know, as our people be for social media. He never talk anything. They don't know that time they go. He said, no. Now I said, no. I said, no. Let her know, say, now me bring this idea now on my own. Make we raise fund for Sharon. So the matter take come out. Now the woman say, okay, no problem. He go call Mama Sharon. If you don't talk to Mama Sharon, if you give her the permission to give me a number, he will. That's okay, no problem. That was how he do the conference call. He call and first, after talk to my family, they call me. Then I can't tell Mama Sharon everything. Way many prophets, they call me, they tell me about Sharon. After they appear to them. Now I tell Mama Sharon, see, opportunity we have to talk everything we people they tell me for years. Since also prophet like this, some even use and do broadcast before the death of Sharon. The prophetess will come and talk. See what you see, what you want for Benin moving industry. Now, a lot of people they called me to tell me, say, Sharon, they are paid today. Sharon said they carry and go house. Sharon said they carry and go Nigeria. I tell the man, I say, man, I can't use the man talk. Who still call him? See what they same thing they see talk. But that's okay now. I want to use my platform, come out, beg Benin people. May they support you. We will see how to carry person go, coffee go Nigeria. Not be small money. Oh. You understand? So may they support you, may they see how they carry Sharon go house. Now the woman say, God go bless me. But within the fear, if you fit bring account come out now, say they go say in the use the picking they find money. Now I say no, don't be say you use your picking they find money. This one and me particularly, personally, want bring and come out. I don't want to put my own personal account there. When they don't say I'm not going to submit all the money where they donate. Now I want to be saying your account did there. Now you must say the way she did now, she not go find in her phone, bring her account come out. If anybody come visit her, he go tell them, make the help and search the phone, bring the account come out. See, then she come to me say, you get one of Sharon, one of the person with the UK. He want help her open GoFundMe. If they open the GoFundMe, he will send that to this sister, so make she send that to me. Now, see, when they want to open the GoFundMe, because maybe they go do it maybe on Monday. If they do it on Monday, he will send that now. If in case they don't stick that one not come, anybody come greet them, he will say make a help and search for bringing your account come out, send that to me. That's okay, no problem. Now I tell you lock up. Maybe Saturday or Sunday, one of these days, they can't send me the GoFundMe. As they send the GoFundMe to me, I bring them out to my platform so that many people to they put money. Really, lovely and those people God go bless abundantly. Now really come out in 1,000 fold. They really put money. Before Golden, Dorothy come out, come they do saga. Come they saga Sharon. Out of ignorance. When they say I fall out again. When Dorothy do that thing, I have to call Easy or Moruji. I call Easy. I ask Easy. After communicating, I say, Easy, the GoFundMe that is going on now, how genuine it is. Because I don't want to use my platform to the fraud people. And they always do my things very strict. Now Easy tell me, say, it is genuine. As far as by the family, brother woman is genuine. But within me, due to my mentality, the way Easy take talk, I now knew say Easy is not a support of that GoFundMe. The way she takes talk out of her mouth. That kind of thing. Insist now the family bring and come out. Maybe it go there genuine. You understand? I just calculate what things the come out of her mouth. That's okay, no problem. So I now see some fingers for size and sound for them from Easy. And I see some wrong fingers inside Sansam for them. I never even knew now say Easy was even added to the GoFundMe group, WhatsApp group, alongside with OKPAMEN. Easy exit herself from the GoFundMe WhatsApp group. Me might tell you on you. Me innocent of me. Next thing I see monicalobolobo with the GoFundMe, with even Nigeria account, where the mother of Easy send me say no see phone, no see phone. Just search comments. You understand? The whole thing she gives to the announcer. Me, I was happy. Seriously, I was happy at least. Maybe we see. I don't see another presenter who want to join me. Use our platform, raise money for Easy. That's my happiness. Not be only one person. This one go use the platform. This one go use the platform. This one go use the platform. Before I know what is happening, when they find don't come. Now the joy with me I get. Then they called me. The sister called me, say, make an vessel. This is not say Monica, Sharon don't talk to Monica. I said, Sharon will not for you talk to me safe. She can say, nah, person, that's that same woman with the UK so. Now he call Monica. I said Monica, he call Sharon, conference Monica journal. Don't be saying Sharon, you carry phone. They call Monica. Wait till you don't understand. Wait till many of you don't understand with that one. She not carry phone. Just the way the conference had joined me for phone. Now so the conference Monica with this woman for phone. You understand? So as a presenter you go ask like me, I don't ask question. Because I know the situation where the woman did right now. So I want to bombard with question. All I need to do is they will console her. This one I know to they ask her question. We're going to make her head skip. So Monica come and talk everything where she talk for live video. The major point for there, the biggest topic for them, support Sharon. Now me the after. Anything when Monica talk, all the story which she give, good. But last, my Benin people, make people put money for their accounts. They support Sharon. Carry her has go bury. Make peaceful day. Now me after. Say you and Enogi, you say you love Sharon. You were supporting Sharon when she was alive. My brother, let me tell you one thing. You get two friends where they see for life. And I'm going to tell you the very, very important of these two friends. Oseno Dao, number 1. Oseni Yeki, number 2. These two friends, the best friends so far you can ever find. And you over pray to God for your life before you get for life. Now Oseni Yeki. Oseni Yeki. Now I be the friend, I be the best friend everyone can ever think of having in life. Oseno Dao, when he see you, he go to show friendship to you. He go to do gwe. You gonna like you, you gonna rob you, gonna do like saying too good. If you fight for your front, why Oseni Yeki? Whereas if you don't go back, that's saying Oseno that's for your back, you could bite you they go, you could chop you they go. Now that same Oseno that will carry your name, go native daughter for your back. Then Oseni Yeki, when you not there, when you were not there, they bring your matter for a table where you know they there, he go ready to fight for you. On your ass, you not go know. You go chest everything, they go you break here for your matter, for your back, oh, you know they there. Anywhere, see they just anything where you do, where you put your hand, where you leave for ground, in one spoil, you go always the put her in order, put her in order. That is Oseni Yeki. Oseni Yeki will never spoil your name for your back. If Oseni Yeki wants to spoil your name now for your front, they do one. He not go fear you, go come to your front, tell you say you be idiot, you know be better person. But for your back, he go protect you like say to go not there. That is Oseni Yeki, which everyone pray to have. Enogi, you love Sharon when Sharon is alive. You support Sharon, you post Sharon picture. When you born, you post the picture. After her death, what do? You humiliate Sharon, you humiliate the mother, you and your wife. After Sharon not pass on because you know Sharon not going to come and challenge you. You humiliate the mother, you humiliate Sharon. Even the God found me where they bring come out to tell support Sharon, you kick against it. You kick against it. You think say you be better person. Now you want to support my own plan for this social media about Sharon movement. When you come out categorically say as far as that Frank bring the idea, you not go put one error. You forget. So if you they talk you not go even know say person when you they talk to Frank. My sense now 100% over your own. Where the one I cut through with my sense now you they use. I don't say that maybe your nightmare for this video. I not come here consaga you. I come here come advise you, bro. Go and straighten your step. Now your way go make people look you well. You understand? Osik balo. Wagbaka. They don't swim the same swimming. Osik balo wagbaka. Despite the both of them can enter river, they don't swim the same swimming. You understand me now? If you know that parable, go and reason your life. Osik balo wagbaka. Leva siba. You understand? I'm too big to be manipulated by you or to come and give you explanation for the rubbish where you and Rita they do for social media. Every talk your cure or my you understand? You my Rita whom you may bow or my treat up or my bow for Rita bow being for there you wa no reason see. Who Sharon say when no or say no when go babu your muhim waragmo or say no we you get that ben no when where you were the name never ni matter but we say Sharon ye gbe we not take no te mudia gege no see you say the Sharon in all ramifications of life. When I channel Gwaligo, when I channel ya create content, a content of ja son, a content of no my nigby, Man even in me guanania. A content you know. Normally, they take platform now you big old men and then now what thing you pay a platform na TRT ya collect go. Avati lao. Iji ya collect go. You understand? But all way. Collect go way. Umati a platform where temata. Umati a platform where senior say in Sharon. Umati a platform where you have been on Sharon. Umati a platform where do go in Sharon. Instead, una a platform where you are real Sharon. Una a platform where you are doze. Una a platform where you are disgrace Sharon. Una a platform where you are robbing Sharon. Enogi. We share with the Sharon Ragmon. We are robbing ya. No one worry. No way party wa bien. In the water. We share with the Sharon Ragmon. We are at here body Sharon. The Sharon care body again. No way party we here. I'm on a na ya money. I'm not there about busy you know not our money. We need your money or come out. Go to your critical to your amigo with Facebook. And now you are coming out where meaning since we don't know why since the brother say in the support now about we have support. You know give me time we now. The support woman can't. We are you go you good for me say oh boy. When you go you good fund me ni. Or you go your account now. Ese we here boy. Ese we no he wo hwe. Mo time we now. Since we can't tell where idea the memory, since Momo the idea that you will never support. If you not support now, as a walking boy, because in Yakba, I heard the more Nika. You understand? There is no problem when you shall marry a phone or not your phone where don't get the government senior saying there. I don't understand it. If I understand it, there is no problem you now. Now don't be ma, we don't see you, we will not be no your platform. I wear 30 many men on the shower. I'm at here. If you don't know, make you don't know. A Sharon barrier wa. Oh, no have information where. No have hospital. No we Sharon we got it. Ye make me give phone where. A Sharon ye ragman or Sharon wuni. Then I came out to break the news. Why am I with when I go my platform wa. One no busted the news you Sharon with the Sharon ye come. Oh, how my go where you going? You understand? But at the end of the day, you know the busted the news. From there, iwe video are here by. Working how many here money Sharon. You understand? Working how many here money when you make with the face. Easy men or ye be me. Ed no nakaba. The next exam ya admit is cool. Inasi ya put a bit done. Easy no be me like Jamaico. Many may you will be missing when I don't know who of Macaba and in a room. In a room, when I suppose for us ye go. Avec what you will not see one of what way in that by the before in that banana exam hall. Now, you be done. The man how that we near Sonia Mon, near Yak be done. He kicked by the way by my guy. He be my couldn't say whatever. A guy a better waba. You ain't got no by a temper. He can't be gun or barley with a batting woman who give me a kind kick by way few years ago. You understand? Now be done. Before I think of burying my mother. Era no be melandia quick yare. Walk barrier why with coming on my wagon. Pamis most of them miss it. Now we are seeing paper. Now we 1 year. The maca we young Pami. You saw me drinking beer, eating my turkey. Una you made the mind. No ladian. Do make the video ladian. Do ya always saga or see where who? Me man we saga le luwe. Imane saga we. You understand? We give you use a video ni ya saga le no go anywhere. Na do go en wo ze no do because ima oni we that o haniga hare o we gbe dia hospital. Ima oni le we saga we ana se go e o na re re no because o ma ta ma we one hospital. E ma ti we ta ma we. You were not there. That was the reason why I give you that respect that day. Imaho saga. I only come out to debunk your lies. Where Sharon is still alive, she's not there, she's in coma. You are not sit. I'm where Bob going to go on Kagbe. Oh, no, we're not Sharon a quick yogo. Or say Sharon. Oh, say Sharon I make a coma. Oh, none when I can somebody be coming abroad. or mass over there, or no come in Nigeria survive. They all none one night. See, Ikatamwa a matter of Sharon now. Wakima nigo nish ije, I am Sharon when I bury Sharon peacefully, they don't get lawa. Because you know when the guard in Matana, if I boom, I see Yasilu Waladian. Emani boom. If I sit down, so I can analyze the Sharon Mata, the Sharon debt. Yasik busy is not free. Equal the Ladian in Matana. Itamo do my anytime. Yasik busy or moruji or ma free in Matana. Many work away after mo donate money, mo go bury the girl peacefully. You know the guy Kulawa. Waga go do see the Matana be, you know the totally guado drag Matana. When the boom, why have vebo? Do why more bone, no be Sharon. When the boom, I webo, I bebo do. When what you was sick as Sharon see working, when the boom, I webo. But he get where I got good young baby, I'm a good young baby, or Pama Yahin. In your mamma, good or we do man. That's the reason when I calm down. No woman. At least a young lady, my can you in your senior. And I cook with okay. Let me use my platform to raise funds for Sharon. Bury her. What I will not donate to go now money. Why I got this big boy? Also, the women were up back. You go to donate money, no my wine. What you are taking go what I stand for, let's take donate money. I am Sharon when I have better boy. You understand? From there life goes on. Why you going no, you shall not like dinner by the life in your life or dinner. No, no, fun go ask of the Peking. Or soon that me. My mother was too good. You make my magbe, you make my mom, you make you Isagano. Or tell me no reco, no, we are not living reco. You are university reco. Lagos State University is a lecturer in Lagos Lasso. Lecturer of Lasso. I will finish school. I will finish secondary school. We will just come to university. But you got to be work. We just come to the last university. Come on, Isagano. Do you know how many times in Yareko? He asked you why you Move to Muhammad. I will never enter your house again. Epa, you will be like one down. Because you go me yari. It is about you know Hamanya. Erano. Obi, you see me, you must give her. On I will be going to Kobira, you know. Obira, you know what's in you. Oh, Obi, not in the UK. I'm a okay. Understand? Mental nonsense. This is my own family. Why am I after the better, the Peking not even know. No, not even know the Peking again. Why is say why in them? What doing is what doing well. When now what donate you go all here 20 million. Why donate to? Now you look at all good yen of one of Baurimo, bastard. All good yen of what no Bauribia. All any money is the major aim of this money. Let not say the gun for me is for the money children of Sharon. My sister will forget those story. If Sharon like my support monobia, my day papa give monobia. Everyone hand do from me not to care. If you want donate. The GoFundMe is there, the account is there. You want to donate. All these crocodile tears, I don't want to see them. I don't want to see them. What donate? I want to know when I see. And then I want to know that level. And my Martin Sharon. Through this are deaths, many people can't know Sharon. You understand? You say we are going. I hope we are going to donate. We are going to that same party. You have go create your 50,000. You have your account inside the Guinea. If you are doggy man, you are from a traditional man. Why I knew how to work back on your traditional my foot to my own. I want to call him Makuya. I want to know ma. All the saga. All Moon saga. Yes, no one time. When you ma, you call him Makuya. All the saga. Now, a no gear we now said Francomoso was not smart enough. Now Francomoso breed the idea. Francomoso not breed the idea. He was not smart enough. A boy named why? A Sharon. Now I don't know if you go now. You not turn the case now to saga. No, here a woman no UK. A sorry woman na every year we saga na. Na kana wait to the ko. Uri we at here MC with the TV celebrant. E no get very cool. Wa no di ko re ojino. Wa baba no get very cool. Na MC with the TV celebrant all you are in. Una when they carry no give for party, but na no say no give a tea for party o. Orabiku ojebo yebo no. MC where the TV celebrant no one carry so can make him my see carry camera fake focus on no give we go ya €100. E no give ragbe wa ababe no give. Orabiku e no ya do wa viro ya support Sharon. Oh God. E time one and why on. Orawu.
Live video. As you can see, I'm traveling.
Wa dame yo. E no give rabiku.
I have a show tomorrow.
Unless you want to go with barbecue.
Because it's a little bit far from my city. Alright guys, a very quick one. Echo Bete. Echo Bete. Echo Bito. Echo Bete, you not talk say Sharon head no correct. Echo Bete. You not talk say Sharon brought her head no correct. Say me we no mind now. And the same Sharon brother now you can't go call. They ask him, say if he did in support of the donation and the GoFundMe. I could bet it. Sometimes I ask myself questions.
Well, at least you know.
Who they listen to you for social media? Because yesterday afternoon you just told us that Sharon brother head not correct.
So we're not you ask for say who they listen to Monica. Oh God. Me ma blame we no gi. E mo no dame who we e me blame. E mo no dame who we. When I even the medal when you know who they listen to you. Wo zen we do. We not so we do. Donc we have who no here support we no gi there we e mamu no wa yikowa. O nya support we. Apoko self Lord I greet you mama. O nya support we rubbish we do. Wo zen we do media na. Especially no what concern Sharon. In every nonsense there must be sense. We make a sense of all of the decision we fine. But man no what concern you know what my brother e man wa when it boy you we in support we. E man we who have we here. When FB here. Rita Fibros. O ma we FB you hear why ti wa go bole luwe. Etia eto man we so kire already also no kan dey. If you want to take egbu wa kan want to take egbu wa. Or say na hate who social media now. Wamana guine wa teba ta magbu wa. Betre ni meji me hia ko ni mamu we guine ke do taba wo jakun. Or say wamana like me wana ti me mozo. Iwa ko yo ni wa mozo. Ni ko afrieti free o ga temi no magba bi egbe tai. O ga say do tia we. You understand? Eke we na zuwa ni. Agbo ve mi yen we you are just being stupid, you are jealous. When we marriage you to now a donation of the Sharon or distracting marriage way. I can donating way marriage. That is the problem. Niku wanaria. What then the problem with now? Joy at Semota or here with Saga now. While I didn't wait a woman even Monica here with 50 by 100. Yeah, guy 50 by 100. Yeah, guy. Yeah, I got good from being weak. So we ready to school here, no give, and we railway boo, who must civilize, who might even at a good fund me, who might go from your work here. The woman still came out categorically to explain it to the world about the good fund me. A good fund me, I can't talk about it all. I can't hear a good fund me now. I can't hear all. Now we share the money with you, no, we're not seeing him. No, when he said they did Germany, no, we're not seeing him. Now, Hammer will help me to give you the day injection when he needed it at the time of the Iye boy married just not did not act about it. A man of you who needed no act about it. Ye boy, I don't know what to see him. Oh, in the Potia Salova. Gay. Ya wa be swing. We know ya beef. It was wonder with a woman walking. They had done one. The governor water. Social media is a very large place. Very large platform, you know. Everybody go make your money at a house. And no get war who make you go on lawa. Monica make you go on lawa. Franco Mozo make you go on lawa. Rita make her go on lawa. When it comes to death like this that occur, this is for generally because I don't know. Me ma si Sharon Boragmo. Me ka saga Sharon e Boragmo. We are some spending ya beha. We are team up with besta. Be Ebony. Me ka saga Sharon. The Sharon never replied me. When the Sharon wuni, it the way who ne ka saga ni. It do mean the saga. That means ni o monzo wati me ni wa fiti me bang. That means o monzo kele wa hin. O ye do ye se. O ye gbeji. If you do ba what azuo. When we was rolling to it do e no give you right. It do someone was no give we kweme nwa. We kweme is e nwa kwe guwe. When na do explain me. No win your a Prince Okpame before can win your support because something by money de okuta only one money de okuta on what here mental tolerate nonsense with any useless man. A man no mind the value of a woman. I don't tolerate all those kind of useless people. When he make you know obiji me ikpari awo yegbeji I don't come my way even no man aya we negbe you do kick against them some stupid then he hameje obiji me igu iji me rahie iya me di mad ya ro biji me ya aguye me kon on di magu yo mo ama bie me e on ye ko ni obi me den you understand and we see you kegbe we ga ho we gbiju we ginegbe go give if we say it will be more than your mother's own go here do religion we kon itamu wa we a Sharon me platform. Sharon has platform, and I'm still waiting patiently for the family of Okpame. A week in Mayana, not the weekend. A weekend in Mayana, not next weekend. Here the family Okpame say, "Niya ladzia, niya rokuye dogun." And when you are coming out, make sure you are doing that video in Sharon's platform. A plan Sharon, a page always a monetized page. It is hard time. You guys should sit down. That page should be handled to the mother. Or if you can't hear it should be done there. You go be a labor. Okay, so forget be running no. Easy, ugageli we Sharon. We no claim, we no post TikTok, post a profile. Unageli we Sharon. Do everything possible for that name not to die. Because what you stand now, you will make sure the page and everything is handled to the mother or to the brother. Because if you ask me, or Tioni mattress day, or what we call it, Prince Okpame in mattress day, in my own, the man, I don't know anything about him, but I don't even trust him. My mind did not even go for him. It is better the mother. And what the put away. You, we want you woman. Oh, we want you woman. No here you who Sharon. Oh, here do kuni ye koi. Daji, I mean daji. Oh, here do kuni ye koya. Oh, see on you woman. Go make him away easy. Egbe nokbia. Egbokbia. Oh, we bury out in our here. Sharon. If you don't know, you should know. Egbokbame. All here thing here will need be is Sharon. That's why I came out and I asked for that. Let them come out and tell us their plan towards Sharon. Then we those social media live video presenter will know where we stand for. You understand? So the Sharon for the now, Sharon is in charge because of your Yegbeji and Egbeni Gabiri. They are not coming to ask you easy. How is Sharon? Boy, they are not coming to ask you. No. So let the mother breathe. If you not constantly Sharon, submit to the mother. Because when you I know the they will sit down and ask the mother every damn things that concerns the daughter. He just provide the neck. It's going to be listed. Do my hand anyway. A door hana zokagbe no we make be Sharon. No be man with fear. So why can't we no getting her better than better? No. Sharon is not going to be better than the better chicken because she don't already get picking. Or play at money. Or more way. Or more way. So have that in mind. You see that mentality, you want to blog some bome. For Nigeria, now so that the small people in about 30 years, why they can't go Nigeria? They're not going to do. Oh, sit down, sit down, sit down, just sit down for your ass. That Yoruba girl, I want to boss lady, I don't know what they call you. That Yoruba lady with the top, we don't do anything. You don't be Benin, you don't know Benin tradition. Oh, madam, enter house. If my time won't let you talk, put enter house. When I will not be Benin, what they call it talk about Benin tradition. When I go sleep, when I go cook beans, I don't want to use this matter to now. You understand? It's not only Mizabo or Bia Yagbone. Definitely she's going to be very amicably. Because of my mom, it times with a guy seba a bay tota. Or I agbe with Jegbe. I agbe with Jegbe. If I am a zo or Kagben on the Mujayaho, Sharon. Ni Sharon, ni Dien. E Sharon wants to be Dion, I don't know Muja Sharon. A bohing a courier. How much money? Give now. When I agbe with your way. Your coin. I agbe with your coin. Be a cannon. If you don't know, when we don't know anything about how to do better, when I just sit down, when I hear the look. One hour year do what do I appreciate of Bishop Subidia? You understand? Because he has children. She has children. All the necessity we done. Ije leva. Ije eleva. Otian no pa me no ga yan odion. Iye leva. Unless we shall see shall not yin. Eyin hena modia. Adarete wa. Then all the property in Sharon will be recorded. Agmo you talk. Ke money. Oh, go kagbe. If you don't know me, you know now. Oh, yeah, go kagbe because I say now you your kagbe. Don't play. Time will reach, they will still call your kagbe back. All the who ne me vani. No cause on the channel. So you guys will look here. No, I damn it. Easy total. Yeah, who my kai ho you. Marry now where total and what damn it. Eh, na kid will kill me. I've been a cameraman for years. They do stitching me. You understand? More F&J production. Yeah, no. You understand? So there's nothing about if you not cause no war. Then I will mean no taba. Ni mai. I thought we ya very yeme. Then I ya read we have our gram. I will say ya. With video call. Then I will really be ram both night and day. I always it makes sure what admin I have video ni ya. You understand? So, guys, when the tag is too small, you do not sit down. Our will not take care of Kati. A Sharon is a celebrity. Montamu Wana. Solo Bono Giwa Hello Walao, Wakoba Widamishawati and Niguna Sharon. I am Warwa. Even Italian Wagena joking. And then I'm what Sharon said do. They don't want on Sharon. Then Sharon Lado take no land their potty they do. And that is not going to know who be Sharon. Airport will go block that day. Airport would go block. You see people were quiet for Benin. They're not be move. Yeah, war. Yeah, one will walk away. Now what do they wait for? Well, when I attach this, then I try wagon wagon around you. While better you no soon. No one is a gun here soon. Social media. If I'm gonna everybody wrote one in one thing, they just the wait me kuna carry a con has. Why most of what you do, you una go to see everything for media. What I go me want tell me again. Me want tell me again. Why go watch if anybody any of you want to physically get ukeke video. When I have better ukeke the Kenwa road. Ukeke, I have better ukeke the Kenwa road. Who get that video? Me go play that video. Then man we mash. I have better than that Kenwa road. Nobody go know the place again now. When ukeke here now, nobody go know again. Nobody go know again, apart from maybe the family. Eramajo. That's the reason why we tell you where okay, Sharon is going to be different. It is not like those days where a Facebook my rain, social media my soiree. No. I hear bro one Sharon a big grave in. I have big grave Sharon peacefully. I remove Tony. Now we now me go see come out for this platform called talk as go take do. So that the money are you they go to see that grave, go to visit. The money making now why you see you e Sharon TV receive you so if you everything receive you when why only and let you buy no Sharon do one of the money. Do man all money, you know, but you have to be in charge now. When the money you get, you even not money. Oh, one have it in mind. They are still going to be bees. No, you are one. So definitely, mother is going to be in charge. So I say that way, even if you are very sure, no, you really care about is go to the mother. It's channel to the mother. Okpame will go and rent his house and get married and live his life. Live his life with his wife. You understand? Because why? Okpame don't want the money around. Oh, I'm going to tell you come by now. We not the legacy to stay in that house. We will claim that house. So you guys will be smart. If that boy have the legacy and the document to stay in that house, that guy will claim that house. A money and one of they will not see their mother's property. They will not see their mother's property. So definitely, property nije do you got to say was better than Okpame. Okpame. Don't ask when you your a year, can I have rip one. A shall not a worth, not to go one, I shall not buy one. So the property now remain to Okpame. Why use the brain? Nation who you turn out belongs to the children. So the mother should be there taking care of them, trade them up in that house. So that they will know where yes. I'm going in our one of Sharon. A mono. You understand? They talk what they are moving now. Or I'm one here. Automatically, Sharon has no property. A money in here. David Sharon may want account, you know, I'm go a bunch of money no more you are. Or no account. No get with neighbor. You say. A year I will not account. I account Ladian. The working even at you know you must support one wall. I worry. Men I worry. West says all over the boy. Worry about him. Good. Everyone. Pastor. But she's a boy because there's no money. There is no money. Now I know you those who down. Who zoom down who yari Iowa. Mamma, you can understand. A voice you will lie me, because they all knew you are an evil man. Or see the voice when I lie. Did my raise you go Sharon now? I'm close to 2 million. Did my raise? I'm close to 2M now. They clap for me. So my security can only say 2 million. That's the way a voice you will lie. Every day, when you go here to city, it be like wah. When you yo, or see now post account of it every day. New people will come, they will listen, they will say, okay, bros, take 50,000, take 30,000, take 100K, 200. It even yari. Upon no way you prove, you announce. May they don't support the good family. May they don't support the money. You know, people see the poor money or God, what will be your problem? They have a problem with. Also, where you are a distraction. You don't have nothing to offer. A distraction with in family now. And have it in mind. On no good one on no uno. Unya look here. Unya look here. Ima only zigo ye matter where. I will the whole way would do I platform yarasi for no nugi. La woo enugi look here. Ima ono woo. Ima ono oimi all distracting. Now you are distracting Sharon's barrier. Enogewi, you are distracting Sharon barrier. Or marriage in you know your bone. A Sharon appear when ya. Ima ono woo. Ima on the platform then zigo no. Hey, the way you don't have my lovely friend, I beg. I don't see me. I know you not the good time when they are alive. I beg as you don't die. So now, me will see what is support. I know what do. La wo. A man you were. A man who no you were. The lucky bo no mu you were. A kiki koko legi no mu you were. Or Amy can't be winning your hall. Any eternal. Amy can't be winning your silence. Your honor, silence, man. You boy feed you when you so say my to you boy feed you. From commence with Sagana. You are talking about a dead person now. Or I provoke you lost time you name. Or I provoke you. Oh God. I just pity you. A Sharon I provoke or be you. a making we had make it do we. I'll be like, we make a video panel. When I last, me I play this. When I share this video, I play this video. I share video now. Share this video, like and love this video. Yeah, me video panel. What down with how? What down with how?
At the end of the day, you just guys, it's very quick. You should sort the break commands. You know they go for market, go cheap. You know they go for market, go cheap pampers, take away your picking. You never go for market, go cheap bossers, go give one man. You never thief one day, say you can't thief. Your man can't be hungry, can't go thief, carry come house. You never steal. No supermarket go see your CCTV camera break command. Say this Sharon was in this area, for this area where Sharon there. Now you for thief. You never thief one day for your children. You stand as a mother, even as you still die, so your children have something to enrich from you, home and abroad.
Hi, Sharon.
Even as you still die, so your children they have something to enrich from you, home and abroad. In Nigeria, you make a home for them. In Europe, you still create a home for them. My dear sister, wherever you are, be proud of yourself. Be dancing, be jubilating, be celebrating. Because why? You are a woman. Not just a woman with pride. A woman with dignity. You are a single mother, not a single mother with choice. You are not a single mother with stupidity.
Oh.
You are not a single mother, and it is a less oppressive single mother with I want a boy or as if I boy. You be proud that shower. You use a shower money, take you something, take less something. You know, you social media, I will take to one. Not be social media, take left foundation. Not be for social media, money, take roof house. Who use a shower, take build house. You use a shower, take build house. For Nigeria, you want to use their shower, take buy house for Europe, for yourself and for your children. What on the Sharon man? What on the Sharon on that already? What's it? What's it? Sharon, mama, man, next Sharon, what's it? What's it? What's it? What on it? I am proud of you. Almost anybody know what on you are. But no young woman say yes on you. Yes, you question you where you know. And me say me be when on the less of here. Me agaya. You na we put na na kuma. Do you understand? If you say if who you do with it, your reputation, your personality, your dignity as a woman, and when we want to Sharon, you make a good name for yourself and for your children. Where the social media, where the TikTok, where not be carried their son, poop cancel, make their son. I mean, they be a man, not be going on.
Okay.
I mean, they be a man. They are going to go by any other test. You're not going to pass away your son is you. You're not going to pass away your son is you, mother 50 cents.
Okay.
A business model, when you are
okay. I'm so happy say they're not at that one. Just say, if you let that one, no, mother 50 cents, you don't want me. You are a proud mother. Say, I will look at boy, I will, mama, I will community, I will share there. I read down the any. I don't know, I'm a permanent. You even one together. Okay. 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 Oni sira. Oni sira. Okay.
I don't know what the next 1 hour will for me.
That's true. Only Sonia. Madame Blue. No man. No man. No man. God bless you. God bless you. Okay. Okay. Okay.
What is this? I didn't know one look at. I don't know what if you're. I don't know what I'm in over. I'm in of your one. It's a problem in Australia. Nobody people come and I see the stress where they pass through. And people want to go at me. If you go back to Korea, he ain't miserable. I'm going to say, we let go. He ain't nobody know why. Hey, yeah, it's over. Hey, yeah, it's over. We are not social media. Social media.
Okay.
Okay,
go on.